This is a Goodman central air conditioner that you will probably never see again. For over a week, it has been refusing to turn on. So we called the HVAC guy. He came over, checked the outdoor unit and the indoor unit, and there's nothing wrong with the outdoor unit. It's the indoor unit that's the problem. The furnace was not allowing this unit to run. And this unit is only 10 years old. Well, practically, it's been running for 9 years because this house was built in '09. Yeah, this is the one that had the compressor replaced. Yeah, it's a new compressor. I mean, it's pretty quiet, though. Surprisingly quiet for Goodman. I mean, the suction line's nice and sweaty. And that is a 2008 2-ton Goodman heat pump. I've already filmed that before. And you know, I'm actually going to get a view of the indoor unit. Now, the thing is, if the indoor unit gets replaced, the outdoor unit needs to be replaced because it needs to match. Well, here's the indoor unit. It's a 95% efficiency Goodman gas furnace. Obviously from the same year. And this is probably the first and last time, also known as the only time, that you will ever be seeing this, because this is going to be replaced as well. Yeah, this is the indoor unit, so obviously it's going to be replaced because it's really been the one that's causing problems. Yeah, the coils were corroded up here. Obviously, the panel was put back on, so obviously you can't see it at all. The coils were completely corroded, and it's terrible. Yeah, this is a 95% efficiency, annual fuel utilization efficiency. That's AFUE. 95% efficiency. Gas furnace from 2008, obviously. There's a data sheet. Yeah, you can't read that at all. It's too dark back there. Well, it's running right now. Yeah, this is the one that's been given out. And here is the air handler for the Goodman heat pump that is right next to it. I'll film that another time. Okay, let's go take another look at the outdoor unit. Okay. Well, here it is. I mean, the outdoor unit is working perfectly, but like I said, once again, it's the indoor unit that's been given out, given problems. But yeah, this is one of the last days of its life. This is I mean, the line's sweaty. It's nice and cold, sweaty. I mean, it's pretty quiet for Goodman. This is a 3-ton from 2008, obviously, like I said. 13 SEER, R22. Don't know if you can read. Yeah, this thing does not have good qualities. Yeah. Don't know what kind of fan motor this thing has. Yeah, this is a Goodman central air conditioner, and it's actually labeled as a heat pump. Pretty interesting, isn't it? But yeah, this is a straight cool unit. Oh, that one just turned on. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.